In this video, you'll learn how to book a monthly cleaning on Wecasa. This process will guide you through selecting your service and finalizing your booking efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once you reach the homepage, look for the option to log in, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to access your account. After clicking login, a prompt will appear asking for your credentials. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Once complete, click the login button to access your dashboard. You should now see various service options displayed on your dashboard. Next, locate the cleaning option on the dashboard. This section usually appears prominently. Click on Cleaning to proceed to the Cleaning Services page, where you can start the booking process. Once you are on the Cleaning Services page, look for the button labeled Book My Cleaning and click it. This action will direct you to a form where you can enter important information about your cleaning service. You will need to enter your full address in the provided field. This is crucial for determining the service area and availability. After entering your address, click on the option that says, "Where will your cleaning take place?" to confirm your location. After confirming your address, you will see an option to see prices. Click this button to view the available pricing for the cleaning services tailored to your location. From the list of services, choose the cleaning service that fits your needs. For regular monthly cleaning, select Classic Regular Cleaning. Avoid one-off or deep cleaning options. If you intend to book monthly sessions, after making your selection, click Next to continue. In the next step, you will select the frequency of your cleaning. Choose once a month as your preferred frequency. After selecting this option, click Next to move forward with your booking. Continue through the booking flow where you may set the duration of the cleaning if needed. This is an optional step, but it can help tailor the service to your needs. After this, review the pricing details that appear, ensuring everything aligns with your expectations. Next, select your preferred payment method from the available options. This can include credit or debit card choices, as well as any other payment methods Wecasa accepts. Once you've confirmed your payment method, you will see a button labeled Book My Session. Click this button to finalize and confirm your booking. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.